Good morning everyone and welcome to this new video. It is Saturday, it is quite early in the morning and I'm still quite a bit tired. It is 7:15 here and I'm up for about an hour already. And I thought I will start the day with doing some voiceovers just to prepare this video to show you all, because the first 3 were done and now it's time to upload the last one video, I think about tomorrow. So what has happened so far? So I think in this video I will not talk so much about how I did it and the technique, because it's pretty simple. You can see what I did in the video. And yeah, just want to talk about the idea behind this project, because I was asked what the idea behind was. And that actually made me think about if I had an idea behind this project, which I honestly did not have so much in the very first place. What made me make this project? When I had uploaded my first video with the long canvas and the black and silver and white, this video really kicked off. I think it was the most popular video I've ever uploaded, and it gained thousands of views very, very quickly. So I was really a bit, well, amazed about the video itself, because I did not really expect it to, because it was just a random video that I filmed because the occasion came up, because my neighbor was asking me to make this one. And I really did not expect it to. And I was wondering if this was because of the canvas size, if it was because of the color scheme, or whatever it might have been. I was honestly thinking myself it was some kind of promotion thingy that YouTube probably did to the video. And I just wanted to test it. So as this video was obviously quite popular, I want to see if I can create some, a like effect with the same technique and canvas size and whatsoever, and the same wordings. So I wanted to see if it works. And it did not really work as mini viral as the first one did, but they did pretty well anyways. And I was pretty happy about it, to be honest. When I started YouTube about 9 months ago now, or 10 months, I don't really remember that much, I really had struggled getting views overall. So I did start my channel on realism, as you might have noticed if you watched my earlier videos. And well, the first videos, although I did pretty good ones, I think, so very instructional and detailed ones, had about, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 clicks at all. I still have some videos that have about 30 clicks or less. I'm not really sure, which I was really proud of at this time. But yeah, having a look at these now, I really wished more people would watch these videos as well, because I'm really proud of the realism as well. Yeah, so I just wanted to see if it works again with the kind of same type of video, and to make it not boring and just make the very same video again, I wanted to create something, elaborated, so a bit better in value. I don't really know how to say it, but I wanted to create something that fits together in a way a bit new kind of video, where I added the living room wall and added the pictures on there, which I was really glad you all liked. And yeah, this basically was the idea behind. I wanted to create some of these longer canvases again with different color palettes and to make it somewhat fit together, which I never did before. And so when I never did something before, it is called my experimental phase again. And yeah, I just love experimenting and test out some new things, if they work together, if they do not work together. And this one I think works pretty well together. What else has happened? Last week we visited our parents and it was really great weather. We had about 14 degrees Celsius out there. It was feeling like spring has come. And now, today, 1 week later, look at this. This was what Leipzig looked like when I woke up this morning, which is awful. I'm really a summer dude. I don't really like snow that much. And yeah, this is what we got today. It's -5 degrees, so a drop of 20 degrees compared to last week, which is not my favorite at all. And even better, today our terrace summer furnitures are going to be delivered, so which is great, because I cannot put them outside and I need to store them in our living room till the snow is gone again. So yeah, life struggles, you know. yeah, besides of that, my day today is about some new pouring projects. I will have to complete a commission from a friend in the portrait drawing, and tomorrow I will do some pouring again, who imagined that, and start the next commission, which is great. I really love doing commissions on realism every now and then, and yeah, the pouring of course as well, just to show you. I will also make the Q&A video quite soon to answer all your questions that you've already sent me in. If you have some more questions that you would like to ask me, just send them in, I don't know, the next couple of days, and I will see to put them in the video as well. And yeah, from the Artina side, as I've told in other videos before, I cooperated with Artina, or going to cooperate with Artina, and going to make a German and English pouring instructional video for them, as well as a realism video for them. So I'm still figuring out which portrait I'm going to paint for them, but I will of course let you know once this is going to happen, and I'm super amazed that they asked me. And if you would like to have a look, I'm going to be in their Artina magazine very soon, and once this is live I will post you the link to it in the description box. And yeah, it is of course a German website, but yeah, have a look. So I think that was enough of random stuff for one video. So let's just come back to the video itself here. And as you can see, it's a square canvas this time. And I just wanted, or I hoped to make it fit within the other 3 canvases that I already did. And I wanted to incorporate all the colors from the other 3 canvases into this one to make it like a combining piece to them, and I really had no idea if this works as I have planned it. And this is basically made out of the rest amounts of paint that I had available from all the other pours. As you might imagine, I did them all in a row at one day, so it was just finishing up the paints that I have left over, and I want to do some kind of combining piece to all these ones. And the technique itself was pretty simple, as you can see. The mixture of the paint I told you in detail in all the other videos, so it was just here what you can see, what I was doing. Is it my most favorite one? No, it is not. I expected it to look a bit different, but I really did not know how I wanted it to look, to be honest. So I leave it up to you if you like this composition thingy in the very end. If you like this piece in particular, I will be happy to receive your comments below as usual, if you like it, if you dislike it, if you think something different would have fitted better to the entire piece or pieces. And yeah, I'm honestly thrilled to read what you think about it. If you like the concept about it, if you liked how I made it on the Photoshop walls within the video, and how you probably would arrange all these canvases. So yeah, that was actually it for this part. I filmed the final part, the critique one, about 3 weeks ago when I finished this project, so I really don't have any idea what I was telling by then, and I did not really watch it again, so I will just put this live part here behind this video, and so far it's it, and enjoy the rest of the video. See ya! And this is the result of the 4th video, which I was actually using my leftover paints for. As I always have leftover paints, I wanted to use it for this project, for this canvas. It's the 50 by 50 centimeter canvas, and I kind of like the end result. I probably wouldn't have liked it as single one, but as it has to fit into the entire project that I'm going to show you in this video, how it looks in the end and how I, well, in a way imagined it to look like. It isn't really perfectly as I imagined, but yeah, have you ever had any acrylic pouring that turned out exactly how you wanted? If so, tell me and show me. I had so many things in my mind what I wanted to create, and it turned out differently, or very, very differently in the very end. But most of the time something kind of pretty came out of it, and this is also kind of pretty. I like that I've added the silver here and the gold here. I would have loved to have copper leaf, to put it probably here, but I don't have any. I probably should get some, because copper is turning into one of my most favorite colors after all. We will see if I can get some copper leaf. If you have any questions or color palette wishes or whatsoever, just leave me in the comment box below. I will be happy to assist you or answering your requests whatsoever. And if you've not done already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video or the entire project series. In case this was video number 1 that you came across, just have a look at the others as well, just to make it genuine in a way, you know. And yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and until my next video, have a great day. Bye bye.